Is your Goodman AC indoor unit making a loud buzzing noise? This often indicates an underlying issue that needs attention. Buzzing typically arises from vibrations in components like the blower motor, capacitor, or fan. Start by turning off and unplugging the unit for safety. Begin troubleshooting by checking for loose parts, such as mounting screws on the blower wheel or fan blades. Loose parts can cause resonance, amplifying the noise. Also, inspect the air filter and coils. If they're clogged, restricted airflow forces the motor to overwork and buzz. A failing capacitor is another common cause, producing a humming or buzzing sound as it struggles to start the motor. Capacitors store energy to provide the initial jolt needed for AC operation. Look for bulging or other signs of damage on the capacitor. Finally, power supply fluctuations, like voltage spikes or low voltage, can also induce buzzing, often due to faulty wiring or transformers. For reference, here is a typical wiring diagram showing connections in a Goodman AC unit. Once you've identified potential causes, you can attempt some DIY fixes. Ensure the unit is off and unplugged before proceeding. If you found loose parts, tighten them securely. Clean or replace clogged air filters to improve airflow. If you suspect a faulty capacitor, visually inspect it for bulging or leaks. Replacing a capacitor yourself is possible, but requires caution and proper electrical knowledge. A professional replacement typically costs $50 to $100. If the buzzing persists after these steps, it may be due to electrical issues like motor rewiring, which requires professional intervention. Goodman recommends annual maintenance to prevent such issues, aligning with EPA guidelines for efficient HVAC operation. Newer Goodman models, like the 2025 GSX series, have integrated AI-driven diagnostics that can detect buzzing precursors via smartphone apps, potentially reducing repair costs. If your unit is under warranty, contact Goodman for free replacements or repairs, as seen in the 2025 capacitor recall affecting 50,000 units.